Okay, so hi friends. Now we are talking about Ultra today. So basically, we are still into the worm gearboxes section, and we'll be discussing after UV, OD, BSU, uh, LEWORM, HDS, SLA, SDS, application-wise worm gearboxes, hollow output, endings, and now ALM, ALW. So basically, till here, this all were solid. Okay, so these were majorly used in heavy applications, and the light ones are the ALM, ALW. So these are also worm gearboxes, but in light duty. Here, the motor may be ranging from 0.25 HP to 5 HP or maximum of 10 HP. Okay, so this is basically catalog. The catalog name itself is Ultra series, so it's an ultra light model. These are all like starting from the size of your palm, okay, and the bigger one is like 50-60 kg. There are various mounting methods. So ALM series is the basic, ALW is the one that is input solid. The first one, the standard which is used mostly worldwide, is input hollow, output hollow. Okay, you can see in this cut section view I have searched online. This one is the worm shaft and this is the worm wheel. So this is basically the same mounting with these two bearings here, four bearings. This casing is made up of aluminum die casting. Flange is made up of aluminum. Oil seal goes here. This is the flange bolting. And here the motor will fit and it would virtually look like with motor, for example, like this. Here there is one accessory added which I'll teach you later. Okay, so AL series is basically starting with the nomenclature part. Okay, so let me teach you what's the nomenclature part. Here, as you know, as I've even shown you guys earlier, nomenclature part. It is type, size, ratio, and mount. Okay, this goes universal with any brand, anything. Okay, it is ALM series is the type. Size is goes like 25 is the first model. Ratio goes from 7.5 to 100 for a single reduction. And mounting is basically what is mounted at the input. It is the motor. So it will be the motor frame. Okay, so it will be the frame like 25, 30, 40, 50, 63, 75, 90, 110, 130, and 150. These are different model sizes. So how are they measured? Okay, so sizes, let's talk about the sizes. It is basically like in worm it was, let us recall your memory. In worm it was inches. Okay, so like 6-inch gearbox, so we named it U600. So in this case it is in mm. So as you can see, let me just draw for you. So here, this is the like the input part, this is the output part. So the center perpendicular line between them, that distance in mm is the size of the gearbox. So if it's like ALM 50, then means the worm shaft and the output shaft hole center to center perpendicular distance is 50 mm. Okay, let me show you one drawing. That would be much clearer. Let me erase this. So now we go back to the drawing. Mm, mm. See, this is the drawing of LM75. So you can see center of the input, center of the output, the distance between them is 75 mm. Let me show you with the circle. As you can see from here till here, as mentioned, it is 75 mm. So that is the center to center distance. That is the name of the model. Okay. So sizes are clear. So now we'll move on to the ratios. In ratios of standard worm, it was from 5 to 70, and double reduction, you can multiply, okay, twice. So that becomes like If you are using two gears of 20 is to 1 and like 30 is to 1, the final ratio was 600 is to 1. Okay. But in this case, the ratios in ALM and ALW, it is 7.5 to 100. So that case, the final RPM 15 is also achievable in single reduction, but initially 5 is to 1 ratio is not available. Okay. Now we'll talk about the frame. The frame size is basically the motor frame. Okay, so motor frames are something which you need to learn from standard like 0.25 HP. It is 63B5. Okay, and next is like zero point 0.5 HP. It is